This 2026 Grand Design Momentum 28 MAV is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, awning, refrigerator, spare tire kit, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, smoke detector, LP detector, microwave, air conditioning, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, raised patio, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Momentum 28 MAV is 8,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.